everybody and welcome back. I am here to do the winners drawing finally for the August challenges that were going on in my Facebook group. Thank you to everybody that took part. I am sorry for the delay. I should have had this video done on Saturday, but it's been a bit of a crazy few days. We're back at school this week here in the UK, so it's just been busy getting my daughter organised. She's really excited to start year one. I'm a teacher as well, so I work in a school, so getting myself organised and back into a routine. I've had a couple of staff training days, so my head has just been pounding the last couple of days. So today's the first time I've been able to gather all of the names, and I have a whopping 74 entries. Do excuse that I've had to write this on my shopping list pad. But yeah, 74 entries. So I'm going to do the drawing now. Because I'm late, as a bit of apology, normally I have 3 winners, but I'm going to do 5 this time because, as I said, I am late. This should have been out on Saturday, so I'm going to do 5 winners. If you are picked, then all you need to do is contact me and let me know which kit you would like for free from my shop. I will have my Etsy link down below. It is in the link tree. So just pop over to the shop, have a little look, and then message me and let me know. You can either message me via email, which will be in the description box, or if you know me on Facebook, either from the Non-Stop Papercrafts group, then just send me a message through there and let me know which kit. So let's see who the first winner is. So I'm going to tap my wheel and see what number it picks out. So it stopped on number 23. So number 23, I have Isabel. So well done, Isabel. You are a winner. Now I'm going to remove you from this. Now obviously because I don't have names, I've got numbers instead. If Isabel comes up again, then she won't be a winner twice. You only get to win once. So we'll just have to see what the next number brings up. So Isabel's our first winner. Let's see who's number 2. It is number 28. That was very close. So Sel, well done, Sel. You are my second winner. Again, I've removed that number from the wheel, and we'll see who number 3 is. Oh, it's loving the 20s, this one, isn't it? Number 20. So we've got Helena. So well done, Helena. You're my third winner. Yep, we've all done 3 winners now. Let's see who number 4 is. As I said, I'm doing a bonus 2 people because I am late putting this out. I was going to do 20s again, isn't it? Number 25. Melodie. Well done, Melodie. Let's see if we can get a number that isn't in the 20s this time. So it's spinning. And we have number 36. Where's number 36? Sheryl. Well done, Sheryl. So they are my 5 winners. So I've got Helena, Isabel, Melodie, Sel and Sheryl. As I said, let me know which kit you would like for free, and then I will get that sent over to you. Thank you so much to everybody for joining in. It's always a pleasure to see what you make. Some people really seem to take my challenges to a whole nother level and are really creative with them, which I obviously love to see. When I do post challenges, it's not because I want you to necessarily reproduce exactly what I've done, although that's absolutely fine too. But it's there for inspiration. So if you think you can take my idea and do something else with it, by all means do that, which is why I always say if you create anything with the freebies or the paid kits and post it in the group, then your name goes into that drawing, whether it's part of the challenge or you've just created something else. I really don't mind. It's just wonderful to see what it is that you do with the papers. As you know, the challenges have already kicked off for this month. There has been the first challenge and the first week of freebies already out. I'm already seeing lots of wonderful posts for that challenge, which is obviously, again, very exciting. This month is a little different though, in that there are only going to be 2 challenges, but I'm hoping that, like I said, people are going to join in with those challenges and get creative and produce even their own journals and things with the papers as well. Well, that's all from me. A nice quick one today. Thank you very much, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.